Hi everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. We are here talking about the Run Forever Sports ankle compression sleeves. Now these are awesome for anybody who's involved in sports or has issues with their ankles. Now these compression sleeves are great for families like ours who are super involved in hiking or biking, things like that. Now these sleeves are constructed so that they don't interfere with, they don't make your ankles or feet sweat. So you can actually wear them and they're not going to interfere or make your feet sweat more than normal. So you can wear them and actually wear socks on top of them. So they're great for whenever we bike and things of that nature. So what you get is 2 of these and this little information guide. So they're available on Amazon and from Run Forever Sports. They're a phenomenal ankle compression sock. So if you have issues with your feet and you're not active, these are actually really wonderful for wearing around, and they're developed for night and day relief. So once again, they're available from Run Forever Sports. Check out my full review on Non-Perfect Parenting and all of my other great giveaways. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.